Hey, good day, my friends. Michael White here with MichaelWhiteOnline.com. And what I'm here today is to talk about the new sales letter for the 30-day success formula. But if you're here visiting this channel, it's a good chance that you're here looking for ways to generate leads, looking for ways to make money, um, or what have you. And you're at the right place at the right time. What I need for you to do is please hit the subscribe button below to this channel and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of any new videos that I post. I always post stuff that is helpful to the marketer and to help you grow your business. But at the end of this video, you get value from this video. Hey, please give me a thumbs up. But first, before we get started, just hit that subscribe button so we can stay in contact. But like I said, what I'm here today to discuss is the 30-day success formula, the new sales letter that they have out. Now the new sales letter, it's longer copy. It's longer copy. So we're gonna go through this. We'll go through the letter. They changed up some of the graphics. Well, they changed the whole letter, just to be frank with you. They really changed the whole letter. But it's for the better. It's for the better. One thing they had to do, they had to let people know who owns this company, who's behind this. So they have a little history of the introduction of one of the co-owners. And here's a testimonial. This is a very powerful testimonial of a 78-year-old grandmother that is doing very well with the 30-day success formula. And here it is. It talks a little bit about this letter. It talks more about the products. It lets you in more on the products and what you are getting versus the first one. And they sort of had to do this to become BBB, Better Business Bureau compliant. They had to add some things to become compliant, because this business right now, it is on fire. People are coming in like you wouldn't believe. And the old sales letter, it really converted. But this, I believe, will convert just as well. Because the thing of it is, with high ticket stuff, when you're spending $1,000 or better to come into something, people, they're not going to read a couple paragraphs and say, well, here's my money. They have to read and get enough information to where they feel they're making a rational decision by investing their money. So typically, long sales copy is going to work better when you're doing high ticket. It just does. Because before people hand their money over, they have to feel good about it. And the way they make this decision is through information. And you can't sell somebody, $1,000, $2,500, $5,000 program and more off a couple paragraphs. You just can't do it. But here's the levels. Of course, we have level 1. You come in at $89. Level 2, $250. Level 3, $1,000. Now, when you come into this program, level 3, if you can get here, you've positioned yourself very well for a start. If you can at least get here. But if you got to start here, that's fine. But level 3, getting started, that's more where you would want to be. And now they have a level. They had a level up to level 6, but now they have a new level, level 7, which is $27,500. Like I said, folks, this is high ticket. And here it is. This is what's included in the products. It's giving more of an outline of what you're getting inside of each product, the commissions that you would receive. And scroll down. Like I say, it is sales copy. Now, this is one thing that I do like that they have. on the new sales letter that they have a chart of potential, what you can potentially make inside the 30-day formula, doing it on a consistent basis. If you do this on a consistent basis, this is what you can potentially earn. And this is using a 3% response rate. Although, like they say, it can go all the way up to 8%. I mean, if you get a good list, if you get a good buyers list, and that's what our team, we use good buyers lists. So when you come on our team, you're gonna have access to buyers lists. Don't buy from some of these companies to where you're just buying opportunity seekers. You're buying looky-loos. I mean, we sell lists that people are buying. I know, because I'm on one of them. I got some stuff in the mail because I buy. But yeah, I like that chart to where they give a breakdown of what you can potentially make. And here's the 17 reasons why you should at least join the 30-day success program. And here's some proof of payments from customers. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's 11 pages, but when you print this thing up, if you're sending out mailers, I mean, what we do front and back. That cuts down on the paper, and it's just the way to do it. Just do front and back. But when you come on our team, you get our strategies, you get what we're doing to make this thing work for us. One thing that they've done now is some things that they had to cut out. Now you may have seen people all over the internet having these package opening parties. Now we can't open packages and show cash coming through the mail. You can't do that. But that's not going to stop people from joining. That's just hype. That right there, that's just hype. I think most people that is going to market this business, I mean, you want to do it in a professional, sound manner. And always just opening packages and showing cash and flashing cash, sometimes that's not the best. I mean, I think with our team, we're a little more subtle, but at the same time, we take care of the people that join us. I mean, right now, we're touchable. I'm touchable. You can pick up the telephone and you can call me. We can discuss how you can take your business to the next level, or how you can start making money in your business. So, I always tell people to be mindful of that. Just because somebody is, doing a bunch of flashy stuff doesn't always mean they're the best fit for you. Because what's happening and what we see is that a lot of people are coming to us and saying, hey, we want to switch over to your team, which is too late. I mean, you've already joined somebody, but the problem they have is that they've seen all these flashy videos and all this stuff, and they can't get in contact with these people. They won't return emails, they won't answer phone calls, anything. And if they do, they're very short with them. But like I tell anybody, I mean, can I spend hours and hours with each and every person that called me? No, I can't. I mean, you got to put your big boy underwear on, and you have to do your business. You have to figure things out. But I'm there. I'm touchable. And I think that goes a long ways in a business like this, because I like to feel that we're in a community, we're in a family. But in the description below, it'll be the link to link up with me inside this business. Just click the link and let's get started. And ask me about the bonuses. When you get in contact with me, ask me about the free vacation and the free leads. Depending on which level you come in at, I have free leads for you. So I want you to contact me and I will tell you all about them. But I do have a free vacation waiting on you, and and free leads. But like I said, this is it. This is the new sales letter for the 30-day success formula. But if you got some value out of this video, please, like I said, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified of any new videos that I put up. But this is Michael White. I'm going to sign off. But until the next video, peace and prosperity.